Hello, Kotlin Crew, and welcome to our Community Talks, where we discuss all the things connected to one of the most exciting programming languages out there, Kotlin. Surprise, surprise. Today, we are joined by a very special guest, Krzysztof Radecki, the CTO at DAC.digital, a company that completely nails the intersection between science and business by making your products market ready. Hello, Krzysztof. Hello, Chris.
Hi, Kotlin Crew, guys.
Hi, it's great to see you today.
Likewise, Monika. Thanks for having me today.
Well, let's start by jumping straight into the first question of the day. Probably everybody has already noticed that Kotlin started gaining popularity and gaining traction, although it has been around for a while now. It's been adopted by tech giants such as Netflix, Google, you name it, and probably they're using Kotlin at some capacity. Definitely, it's slowly starting gaining some popularity as a backend solution. Why do you think it's that, and why do you think it's getting that popular?
Well, I think it started a while back when Google announced that it's going to become first-class citizen in their ecosystem. And that was this kind of a moment when people had their ahas. Okay, so what is this Kotlin? Why is it so popular? And they started doing their own research that led inevitably to this conclusion that this could be the future of the JVM stack.
And do you think it's, just fashion, or is it gonna stay? Because some people say, okay, what we've already been using was good enough. Why overcomplicate things?
Kotlin's been on the market actively since 2016 in development over 10 years. So saying it's just, fresh air that might fade away within a few months or years is a misconception. It's not going to happen. With Google moving into Kotlin becoming first-class citizen, with Kotlin becoming the language of choice for Android app developers, we can see that momentum really gaining traction, gaining more speed. And with some frameworks being implemented and introduced to the market, say, for example, Kotlin multi-platform, we can see that Kotlin is actually spreading across not just backend and not just frontend, but across the entire ecosystem. So if you're asking me, is there a chance that Kotlin is going to fade away? I don't think so. It's not going to happen. Embedded too strongly in the ecosystem right now.
Mm-hmm. And what do you think could be the possible challenges for companies wanting to start building their solutions using Kotlin? Is it all just, fun and games, or are there any possible difficulties?
There are some. One of the major ones is people who go into Kotlin typically move to Kotlin from Java. So what they do is they write Kotlin in Java, if you know what I mean. They use the syntax, they use the best practices, way of writing that comes from Java, which is wrong and which should be avoided. The challenge is how to explain to developers wanting to move into Kotlin is to really write Kotlin the Kotlin way, not the Java way. If you go there, if you move in that direction, if you embrace the Kotlin way, you're on the safe side. But if you do not let go of the old Java stack, all Java language principles, and use them still in Kotlin, I would say these are the hurdles you're going to face. And these are the people who will struggle in that ecosystem.
That sounds very interesting, and I believe it's some piece of great advice. So maybe some final word to the companies who would like to start building their solutions using Kotlin. What is the first step?
Well, explore. That's the first suggestion. Kotlin plays well with other JVM stacks, so you don't have to completely forget about what you have. You can start building new services, new microservices using Kotlin and see how it plays with your team. Are they struggling? Are they enjoying it? And then slowly but surely graduate towards a full native Kotlin developer company. Don't be afraid of it. I mean, change is good, right? Sticking to the never change running system principle will not keep us moving forward. Kotlin is the future of JVM stack. We can see it at DAC, and I would say if you move in that direction, you will see it too.
Okay, thank you very much. And to all of you listening to us, please join our community, stay in touch with us to be up to date with all the news, all the exciting announcements. And especially if you're new into Kotlin, both as an entrepreneur or a developer, we will be sharing some really interesting stuff. Thank you once again, Krzysztof.
Monika and Kotlin Crew, Kotlin team, thanks so much for having me, and have fun with Kotlin.